Hey, what's up? This is Jason Drone. Welcome to today's GSD Daily, and we're going to talk about customer analytics. Now, customer analytics it's a little different, tiny bit different than website analytics or conversion analytics. Customer analytics are specifically related to the customer. And understanding customer analytics will actually help you find and market to them better. It's very synonymous with customer avatar, right? So your customer avatar at the beginning is the person who you think you're targeting, the person who you think you're going after with your product, your service, your offer, whatever. Customer analytics, however, is data telling you exactly who your customer is. Now, you need customer data, which means you have to be selling something in order to actually get into customer analytics. However, you can approach that when looking at just prospects, blog readers, people who are visiting a website, but you still need to own the data, right? So you still need people coming to a property that you control so that you have those customer analytics and you can start making use of them. So what I want to do is I want to walk through a brand that we're starting, a brand that we have started, and we're starting to grow, we're starting to scale, and it's a very scientific process. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking this brand from scratch, and we're slowly introducing new product lines, testing new products in the market, and then scaling the products that are working based on the 2020 rule, and that brand is Get Shit Done. So this brand is something that's kind of been a pet project for, 2 years now, maybe, so we went and got a bunch of machines and, we're producing all of this stuff in-house. We figured out how to put it all together, and now we're at the point where we're starting to create our own products. We do promotional products, some promotional products for some clients and stuff, and that has been awesome. But the GSD product line is about creating our own offers and pushing them out into the market. So what we're doing is taking a very data-driven approach for product launches, for scaling the stuff that is working, for finding the products that are selling and then maximizing them and adding in upsells and downsells based on the product itself, and understand or digging into that is a function of customer analytics. We need to know exactly who is buying so that we know how we can get them to buy more. So that's what we're doing at GSD. So here we have product videos and all this other stuff, but you get to see, so we have a collection, which is our hats. And our hats, we went through earlier this year and we designed up many different hat sayings. So just to see what would work. I mean, because everything follows the 80-20 rule, right? So 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your products. So I was like, in order for us to get to the 20%, we need to have multiple products. So let's design these up, let's print them on a hat, and let's offer them for sale and start running traffic to it. So that's exactly what we did. We started running traffic to these hats. We did some video ads, we did some image ads, we started running traffic to these hats. And then we started slow, we started scaling our ad spend. Just the exact same thing as what we tell all of our clients. We start slow, we find results, we get results, and then we start stacking those wins on top of each other. That's precisely what we're doing here. So the hats here, what's interesting is the ones that are winning: no excuses, hustle, don't quit, be better every day, sold a couple, do more is actually doing pretty well too. It's really interesting to see the hats that are working. We did sell a GSD hat, but at the end of the day, hats are great. So we don't have quite enough data to actually dig into customer analytics yet. So this is going to be one of those rolling series. We're going to continue talking about the GSD brand, and pulling it back from a marketing test case scenario. But what we do have a lot of data of is our Done For You agency. So what I wanted to do is walk through Google Analytics a little bit. You can see what's going on inside Google Analytics. So For Done For You, we have a lot of paid traffic hitting the website. We have a lot of paid traffic, a lot of organic traffic that is coming in, and we're ranked for thousands of keyword phrases. But what I really want to dig into here is if we look at, we're going to look at Search Console, and then we have walked through this query results tab quite a bit. We've dug into this quite a bit. So basically what this does is it shows you all of the different keyword phrases that we're ranking for. So by looking at the keyword phrases, we know what somebody's motivation is in coming to Done For You. So in the last 30 days, 28 days, there has been 163,000 impressions in searches and 824 clicks for those keyword phrases. Obviously everything Done For You related. If we dig down though into our audience, we can see who this person is. So let's go down into demographics. Now our demographics are going to show us our age. So we, for the most part, we get a lot of searches from 18 to 25, but our customers are 35 and up. So these are the people that we're targeting for our paid ads. And also we are, most of our customers are male. There are some females though. The results reflect that. If we look at interests, we see some affinity categories, shoppers, lifestyles, technology. This doesn't necessarily give you a great amount of information about your customers, but what does is if you go over to Facebook and look at the insights, you can pull down some pretty good insights about your audience as well. And these are all free tools available to you. So our top cities are Erie, PA, that's where we live. So, and not that we do any local advertising, but then New York, Northeast Pennsylvania, Los Angeles, Orlando, Atlanta. We have a lot of clients coming from Atlanta. I'm not sure why Brazil's there. We have quite a few clients in Houston and out west, the Nevada area, a lot of clients in Florida. So this isn't very surprising at all. And then if we click over to our potential audience, you see that it very closely matches up. But on Facebook, we're actually skewed a little bit older. So rather than having an outsized portion of 25 to 35-year-olds, we're skewed more, a little older. And that's mostly because that's who we advertise to. All of our advertising goes to those folks. And it walks through and tells us who our top pages could be from a potential audience standpoint. Walmart, Tasty, Amazon, Target, Facebook, Samsung. And I don't necessarily agree with these 100%. I don't think our target customer has an affinity for Walmart, but you never know. Now, where you're going to actually start getting some real customer analytics data is over inside these tools. And I put together a bunch of tools. We don't necessarily have time to talk about them all today. Hotjar is one of them. Hotjar is going to, screen record a customer as they're moving through your process, your sales funnel, your website. They are also going to let you map out your sales funnel, and then you can see where people fall off. Really, really nice to know exactly how people are moving through your sales funnel. Then we have Mixpanel, and Mixpanel gives you product analytics and customer analytics to help you convert and retain more users. This is more of a SaaS platform or something that is a web-based web app. It gives you a lot of customer analytics there. Brilliant, brilliant tool though for keeping your customers, your readers longer. And it starts digging into a lot of the more advanced customer segmentations. Another one is Woopra. Woopra is a customer journey analytics software. So kind of like Hotjar, it will track your customers as they move through your process, move through your sales funnel, move through your inbound marketing, and then report back where they're coming from. And another one is Sprout Social. So much of the customer analytics that are out there, the tools that are out there, are built on top of social media because there's so much valuable intel in social media. So Sprout Social is not just a social media management platform, but it also tells you who you're marketing to, and it gives you those analytics, that analysis, so that you can go out and get more people just like them. So again, Really, really good tool. So my recommendation is to start exploring customer analytics, even if you are just getting website traffic. In order for you to understand who you're marketing to and understand who you're selling to, you have to know who they are. And as many times as we try to pinpoint our customer avatar, sometimes we just don't know, right? We build a product and the message that we think is gonna land on our 55-year-old CEO who's running a $2 to $5 million business, just as much as we think that message is gonna land with him, it might not. It might land with the female COO of a $50 million company for whatever reason. So it's really, really important to know that the marketing that you're putting out there and the sales funnels that you're putting out there and the ads you're putting out there are landing in the right realm. And also that the people buying your product are who you would expect them to be buying. Because if you think one kind of person is buying your product and another kind is, then there might be some confusion in terms of fulfillment, delivery, and all that stuff. If you have any questions at all about customer analytics, scroll down, ask them in the comment section. If you like this video, if you got value from it, please make sure to like and share it. If you like this kind of stuff, these marketing hacks, tips, tricks, go to gsddaily.io, sign up for the newsletter, and we'll make sure to send them to your inbox. And if you have any question, you want a customized action plan about your sales funnel, your marketing, and all of that stuff, go to doneforyou.com/start, fill in the little form, and we'll get you taken care of. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.